This is our first YouTube video, and we're starting off with our farm stand. We have milk soap, eggs, maple syrup, chocolate tea, tomatoes, and cucumbers. And we have sweet peppers that are 50 cents each. And we have zucchini and maple syrup right there.
Don't forget the goat soap.
Yep.
It's an honor system with multiple cameras.
And right here is how much everything costs.
And we're gonna do a little tour for our new YouTube channel. This is the farm truck.
The Ledge Farm.
These are, this is the end of the season for our tomatoes. We've had a ton of tomatoes this year. Fig tree. This is Chicago Hardy, I think. Some apple trees, a few apple trees, cherry tree, some, we plant some, our old potatoes from last year, I'll go in here, and they're just planted in just wood chips. And then blueberries, we planted some blueberries here.
These are wild blueberries.
Yeah, we have some wild blueberries, we have some bush blueberries. They're just kind of taking hold.
These are super tiny.
Although that came up from a seed. And they're pretty good.
Here you go. I got two.
Now these are
I see one.
something new that we're trying. And they are buckthorn berries, and they're supposedly pretty good. These are service berries, and I don't know why I'm not sure exactly what's going on there.
Can we go up to the animals now?
Yep. We have a hazelnut tree over there, a couple hazelnut trees.
And a dog.
Starting on a hothouse here. Rain barrels, another rain collection system over there for another day.
Hey, bro.
We have catnip. Seems like the cats might have found. That's probably the sound that we heard the other day. Cat screaming. We have some grapes here. They're just starting to take
Are
hold.
those from Papa?
No.
They look like his.
We have currants, red, black currants here.
The forest has been eaten by raccoons.
The raccoons have ravaged the corn like usual. We did get some corn out of it. Oh, this is a peach tree here. There's another peach tree over here. And these are the infamous Bordeaux plums. We've picked them, well, everything that we can reach. We have to get in there, yeah, with a ladder. And we've been eating a ton of these things. They're delicious. There's another one. A whole bunch of shoots that we'll be selling in the spring, along with some seedlings probably. There's our farm dog-ish.
Farm dog. She wants to eat the animals.
She likes to eat animals if she can.
But she can't, because she has an electric fence.
This was our other corn patch. We fed most of it to the steer. Maybe we should go see the steer first.
Yeah.
He might still be.
Those
are some goats. We'll see those
in a minute.
after.
Look, Dad, there's mushrooms.
Yep. There's some mushrooms. Not sure, but that's an LBM.
It kind of looks like lion's mane, sort of.
No, doesn't look anything like lion's mane.
The bottom does.
All right, so this is our steer. He's gonna be, this is a purebred Dexter. And he's about 26 or 7 months. He's got a little bit longer to go. Really friendly guy though. All right, so now let's head back up.
That's our new goat.
Yeah, she was born here, but we sold her, then bought her back.
Piper.
There's a farm kitty that our non-farm dog would love to eat. So this is a tree that I've put a bunch of grafts onto.
Oh, Daddy, this apple looks good.
It is looking pretty good. This is a honeyberry, and they produce little tiny, looks like little blueberries, and they're pretty good. They produce for a long time. One of the first things to start producing. I have another one down here. This is all potato patch that's ready to be harvested. You gonna introduce the goats, Mies?
Oh, yeah. So, I'm gonna go in there.
Okay. I'll go in too.
Stay back. So this one is Maple.
Maple.
And then this one down here is the bottle baby, Quinn.
Yep. It's definitely a baby.
And then over here,
Okay.
right here, that big goat is Meadow, and Olive, and Quinn. I mean, Olive and Penelope.
Yep.
And then that's Judy.
That's Judy.
I'm looking for Panther. I don't know where he went. Panther. Oh, there he is. Hi, buddy.
He's in the hay feeder.
Just like his mama.
That's his mama.
Ah, Judy. I'm trying to get
All
this
right.
one out.
And here's another barn kitty. He's a ridiculous one.
I got him.
Okay.
I got Panther.
Now let's, why don't we go around. We'll see if we can find the calves.
Okay. Come on, kitty kitty.
I don't know if they're in here or out in the pasture. Probably out in the pasture. Oh no, they're in here.
Are they in there?
Yep. Just hold that door, please. So you want to introduce them?
This is Callie, and this is Nori.
Yep. These are both bottle babies. They're probably going to give us some calves next year and possibly some milk.
And when they get bigger, they can stick their head in there and hang out with the goats.
Yep.
We did that for our horse that we used to have because he liked to hang out with the goats.
Yep. All right. So now we'll just go.
To the piggies.
Oh, we got.
The chicken.
All right. We have some chickens here.
rooster.
This is they're living on the ledge. We've lost a lot of chickens this year.
Let's go show them
We're
the
starting
baby
to regrow our flock.
And that fence is electric. All my fences are electric.
Pardon the mess, there's always something going on. We have pumpkins over here.
And we have baby chicks in this red barn. And then we have another big goat. It's a boy goat. And we're gonna let him in with the girl goat.
You want to open the door for the baby chicks?
Yes. Hi, chickadees. Pew, they stink.
Yeah, they are getting a little smelly. They're gonna need to be cleaned out.
Mom says that 2 of them are roosters, she thinks.
Yeah, probably. At
2 of them are
least.
bigger than the other.
There's gonna be at least a couple. Okay.
Let's go show them Orion.
Orion. He is
Hey, Orion.
in solitary confinement because he is in full rut and he stinks and he just wants somebody to touch.
And he stinks like
Yeah,
me.
he just wants somebody to pet him, but nobody wants to pet him
'Cause he stinks.
because he stinks.
Judy always follows us, Dad.
Yep. All right, so now the piggies.
Hey. All I had to say was piggies and they came running.
You gonna introduce them?
Yep. This one is Petunia. And that one's Roxanne.
Yep. Oh, we forgot. We brought some.
Oh, yeah.
We've got some old produce that didn't quite make the cut for the farm stand.
There you go, piggies.
And there they go. They've already eaten this morning, so they might not even eat it.
I'm going to go eat with them. Hi, baby. Yes. And they're going to give us piglets someday.
Yep. All right, I think we've pretty much done most of it. We have sugar house over here. That'll be this spring. Maybe we'll do a video on that and maybe show some of the sugar woods and whatnot. But this is our little
Let's go down the trails.
10.5 acre farm
Yeah.
and growing.